It's very important that Ukraine will win the war, and we have to make sure that they will get all the aid, all the tools, all the weapons that they need to be a free country. I think and feel that they are representing of all of our values, European values, and they are fighting for us, all of us, not only themselves.
What happens if Ukraine does not win the war?
If Ukraine wouldn't win the war, we would only see this kind of situation in the future. I'm afraid that we would witness decades of wars.
Do you think that Europe and the Western allies are doing enough to support Ukraine?
We are doing a lot, putting heavy sanctions from the beginning, and we have coordinated these sanctions quite well, I think. At the same time, no, we are not doing enough. We should do even more. We have to make sure that they will win, and we should give Ukrainians everything that they need to win the war.
You've said in the past that Europe needs to stop being naive about Russia. What do you mean by that?
Not only Russia. I think Europe should stop being naive. And all of us as democratic countries, we should stop being naive.